Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to another amazing live stream. As always, let me check, give me a second, real quick. Let me check if everything is okay. Test, I think everything looks perfect. Alright, hello Alex, good to see you, bro. Welcome Alex. Nice fire trade, I just saw it. You took some fire trade right there on the Telegram. That was actually very nice trade, bro. Very nice trade. So today we have, I think, something interesting. Maybe not today, probably in 2 days, but we are very close to the end of May. So that's the interesting thing about today. I believe this is the last trading day in May. Oh, that sounds nice. So this monthly candle will be formed in these 2 days. In the weekend will be formed, and yeah. So let's start with the top-down analysis real quick, and we get into the trade ideas. We have very nice, beautiful support right here on the weekly time frame, and this weekly candle is about to close. I believe it's going to create a very nice support, and for the whole next week we are probably gonna go and fill this range very nicely. So I'm expecting this daily candle to keep pushing to the upside, at least reject from this resistance, and even it could just keep moving to the upside. That is very nice daily candle. We have all clean range to the left hand side. There is no anything on the 4 hour. Also, this 4 hour is closing in 1 minute, so I believe we can just keep going. Thanks, bro, we planned it in the meeting. Oh wow, that's amazing. Alright, man, take your time, Alex. Alright, so I believe we are rejecting from this area right here. Strong 4 hour area, you can see here price respected many times. Now we are rejecting, and this 4 hour is closing in about 20 seconds. In about 20 seconds we having a 4 hour closure, which is very good to our side. If it closed onto our side, this is gonna be amazing. I'm trying to find, there is one zone right here. I believe it's a very strong zone. Oh wow, that's an amazing closure. You can see that the 4 hour candle closed above. Oh wow, but not above the range on the 1 hour.
Was that all we needed?
Yeah, I think I got a little bit sick, probably yesterday, so doesn't matter much. But yeah, you can see here we are rejecting from this area. There is a very high probability that we can just continue moving to the upside. Oh wow, look at that trade. Wow. Oh, it's not that. Stop loss was big actually. Stop loss was a little bit big. How did you guys manage that? Oh wow, 80 pips. Oh wow, that is nice. So we will be looking here for actually some sells below this area. I know this doesn't sound the best, but man, for buyers we need to see at least a red candle and a closure above this range. A closure above this range. Even this candle, it didn't close above this range. Not the 30, not the 1 hour, and not only the not even the 4 hour. That is interesting. So yeah, the 1 hour didn't close above, or the 30 minute, or the 15. And look over here, we are already like way overextended. So it's better to wait for a pullback like the one you waited for. We are going to wait for a pullback, and then we will be looking for some nice amazing buys from there, which I believe we are gonna get very soon. Oh wow, look how gold is pushing. Oh man, damn, what a push, guys. What an insane crazy push. Oh wow, it's just pushing non-stop, non-stop, just pushing. Wow, that is very interesting. So if we got a closure above this area and then a red candle, probably we can anticipate this wick fill right here that the price is creating. So price now is probably creating a wick to fill, because you can see that the 4 hour didn't quite actually close above that area right here, and the rest, the smaller time frames. So we'll be looking forward for that. We'll be waiting for some sort of rejection. And also, as you know, this is the monthly candle. Look at that candle. Oh wow, that is a huge candle. So this candle is going to close in, wow, look at that, 6 hours. The monthly candle, guys, is going to close in about 6 hours. Can you imagine that? Also, the weekly candle is going to close in about 6 hours, which is very interesting. Very interesting day. Yeah, look at that. I believe we have some area or a zone right above there, which is price is trying to reach. Yup, this rejection area right here. Can see it very clearly. Yeah, I believe price is heading there, or we have actually a probability that price can move to the downside, create a move like this, create a support right here, and then boom, move back up again. So yeah, that's the most probable one. If not, it could just shoot up without even looking back, without any retracement, without any single red candle, because that's what gold do. That is what gold usually do. Alright, let me delete this line. But this was a very good idea. Congratulations to the ones who took these buys right there. It was a very interesting buys. Look at that, we are creating higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and so on, in a very clear uptrend. Look how clear this uptrend is. So at any touch of this trend you could have bought and it would have worked out. Look at that, anytime price created the support right here, you could have bought and it would have worked out. Look here, first one, second one, probably third one right there, about 77 pips. This is fourth and fifth time. Imagine that 5 time price bounced from this area, and it gave a lot of chances to take this longs, which is very nice. Wow, very interesting day today. What an amazing Friday, guys. Amazing Friday. So for the ones who didn't take the buy, you could just wait a little bit more. Don't jump into anything that is not your plan, and yeah, you can just be patient. I'm sure we are gonna get something later on in the session, and if you didn't get, just you can call it a day, man. There is no need to force anything. It's Friday and anything can happen on Friday. It's a very, very dangerous day. Friday. I like Fridays. Oh, that is so delicious. Man, it's shooting up like there is no tomorrow. Oh wow, this is almost 300 pips. Almost 300 pips. Wow. It all started from this 30-minute candle right there. That is very, very interesting. But I believe price action was a little bit choppy. Look at that, it was a little bit choppy. Wow, what a trade. So yeah, there was something I needed to do, is to journal this, my old trade, the one I took in London. I believe I took a trade right there somewhere. Yup, this one, but I didn't journal it. So I need to journal that. I actually grabbed this week. It was only about this week. I saw that 30-minute candle closed bearish, went up, created a top wick, break the low. Second time on the break of the low, I just entered and it worked out perfectly. Perfectly. So let me get the timing. Wow, gold is just pushing. Almost 300 pips. I believe it's going to hit this range high today. Probably going to hit this range high today. There, this is the range high I'm talking about, is right there, guys. Right there, this one. Do you think it can do it? About another 400 pips. 400 pip range to hit to the upside. Do you think it's possible? Well, we are going to see that today. We are going to see that today. Oh wow. Man is just pushing and pushing. Like there is no tomorrow. I was actually talking about this yesterday. I said that whenever gold, because of the news came like that, so I believe gold will be pushing for the rest of the week, even furthermore than that. Let's check the time. 11:32 exactly. Oh nice. So it was 11:32. Resistance, it was bullish sell. Bias was bullish and I took a sell right there. 4 hours was bullish as well, right? Yep. Well, not that much because it didn't close actually above. The 4 hour didn't close above. But it was definitely bullish. Resistance on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes, so what we got there? 30 and 15 was looking not bad. Oh, the 4 hour closed below actually. The 4 hour closed below. 1 hour closed above. It was mostly on the 30 minute and the 15 wick fill. Nope, we didn't have a wick fill. There was no wick fill liquidity probably. Yup, there was retracement candle. No, I don't think there was a retracement candle over there. Yup, there was no retracement, it's only liquidity. Let's remove that. To the area of interest, old major support and resistance. Yup, definitely old major resistance, it was there. Steeper wick, I definitely believe we got that one. Look at the 30-minute time frame. Yup, I believe we got it. I think I have a picture saved from that time. Rebreak of the current it was. I secured about 1 to 1 and paste. Yup, look at that. It was a really steeper, nice top wick. Yup, I think it's not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. I got about 1% from that one. A win. Yup, and that's pretty much it. What was this loss? What happened here? Oh, I remember this one. I remember. There was no retracement candle. Yeah, alright, so let's check gold now. Gold is looking very, very interesting. Man, it just pushed, so there's a very high probability at least we will see one red candle. So we can take buys just after any red candle. You see a red candle and then you enter the buys if it broke the high of that candle, just like what happened here, I believe. Something like this. Look at this. Red candle, break the high, boom. Red candle, break the high, boom. Red candle, break the high, there, boom. So this is basically what I'm looking for. This was the trade on the 30-minute. Here I took it. It was actually pre-London. Pre-London open. It was a simple fake out. Just very simple, very clear fake out trade. Yeah, I'm glad that it worked. I believe I secured a little bit right there on this rejection area. Secured a little bit and then left the rest to run, and it ran very, very nicely, which is not bad. Yeah, you can say. So here was the trade of the day. Actually it was right here, but we had a little issue. Look at this candle and this candle. So for example, if you were willing to buy from there, resistance was here, and the good thing that it was at NYSE open exactly. Oh wow, look at this rejection. So guys, this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for such a nice rejection, something like that. Now we need a red candle, and then probably we're going to take it from there. Yeah, probably after this candle would be nice for buys. 100 pips. How much was the stop loss? About 70, 80. Yeah, that's not bad actually. It's not quite bad. We have the 30-minute to our side. Yeah, but probably also the higher time frame, 4 hour on our side, and the 1 hour, and also the daily. I believe the daily was there as well. Look at the daily. It's so bullish, very bullish, guys. Probably we'll just keep moving to the upside now. It's going to just keep moving to the upside. Yeah, that is what's gonna do. But the thing is, I believe the 4 hour closed bullish above this area. So yeah, we are good actually to keep going, keep pushing to the upside. Only with the 1 hour candle closed below the 30-minute and the 15. This previous candle closed below. So it's a little but not that big of an issue. I believe we can get something out of it very pretty soon. So if you are from the ones who took the trade already, it's better for you to call it a day, my friend, because I don't know if you know about Fridays or no, but Fridays, man, they are tricky. Today is where the day most banks they close their positions, most hedge funds. So it gets a little bit tricky. A little bit tricky today. So yeah, better be careful. Now if we can get an impulse candle like this, impulse candle which looks like this, let me show you. Boom, boom, and boom. Something like this exactly. Here I will put it in a perfect place. Yep. So if we can get now this candle, something like this, we will be anticipating the high, the break of the high. Oh wow, that's much better. Alright, so it has the same high, something like this. Guys, if we can get that candle, oh wow, I believe you can go full board. Probably you can go not full board, but man, would be an amazing trade. If you can get a candle like this, then we will put our entry right here and stop loss below the candle. Boom, targeting the wick fill about 1 to 1.4. I know it's not much, but it's very good idea and with a high probability. This is the idea. If not, then probably we should wait for some sort of a fake out right here. I believe on this next 30 minutes, if we can get a nice fake out, I believe would be nice. Fake out sells like this candle, close below, then close above, then probably will keep going. Oh wow, look how price is moving. Man, that's a very high volatility. 76 pips just in 5 minutes. This 5 minutes was about 76 pips. Crazy. Oh, gold. I think this is oil. Oil is just sleeping. It's been consolidating for around 2 days, I guess. Consolidating for 2 days. Let's check Nasdaq. Is it hitting new all-time high again? Oh wow. Man, this looks like a bubble that is going to burst very soon. Wow, look at that. It's just moving to the upside. Only to the upside. It's not even a trend. Damn, look at that. 31st of March. From 31st of March it went about 32%. Man, that's crazy. That is very absolutely crazy. I believe we are going to see some crash soon. some really big huge crash soon on the Nasdaq. Look at that moves, man, crazy moves. I don't like the Nasdaq, to be honest. I prefer to stay away from the Nasdaq and trade the pair that I know, which is gold. Yeah. So what's going on here? Wow, it looks like it's melting. So I believe it could correct this move right there. Probably. Or give us a fake out so we can jump in buys. Which one is better? I believe the fake out so we can jump in buys. Definitely. Oh wow. What a nice rejection, guys. Look at that rejection. Oh man. Wow, that's almost 200 pip rejection candle. Could you believe that? 200 pips rejection. Crazy. That is crazy. So if this 30-minute candle closes like this, man, probably will be good to take some sells. Let's see how will it go. So we need a nice, man, oh damn, what's happening there? What is happening there? Look at that rejection. Just like that, dumped for, wow. I think it have just corrected the whole move right there in this one candle. To ditch the US for Argentina. Pushes 200, but there is a big catch. Alright, so we don't have US dollar news for today. I believe so. There is no red folders. We have just some volatility. What a nice volatility, man. 222 pips. Just a drop like that in a matter of seconds. Just like that. What's the possibility of that happening? What's the probability of that happening? 222 pips. 38, 60. That's around $23 drop. 23 USD, I guess. Yep. $23 drop just like that. Man, that is crazy. See, this is because I believe this 1 hour candle, it didn't close above. The 1 hour candle didn't close above, as well as the 30-minute candle didn't close above as well. So I think that's probably why it's rejecting. Or it actually could be just creating this 4-hour bottom wick. Could be just creating the 4-hour bottom wick. Oh wow, this 30-minute candle is going to close in about 2 minutes right there. We don't have any news or anything. That is weird because, man, this rejection was huge. Like, it's a very, very big rejection. So yeah, in about 2 minutes, this 30-minute candle is going to close, and let's see how it will go from there. I need to save this candle for later. Probably we can use it somewhere. We can definitely use it somewhere. So yeah, as I was saying, we have a very, very nice huge uptrend right there. You can see, I think it's very clear on the 30 and the 1 hour as well. Very nice and clear uptrend. Boom. So if we break it with this resistance area right here, with this support area, probably we'll be looking for some shorts. Range 2 definitely. Other than that is just long. We'll be looking for longs for everything above this blue line or above this yellow line down there. Yep. Probably it want to test it one more time and then we'll go up. So we have to wait and see. Wow, what a candle. Is still pushing. It's still pushing. That's insane. That is insane. Oh wow. I think it grabbed some liquidity from there, from the high there, exactly right here. Probably there was a stored liquidity for a really, really long time. A really long time liquidity. So after this 30-minute candle closure, I'm going to do a fresh top-down analysis because, man, the move was epic. This move was epic. That doesn't happen frequently. Yep, so if this 30-minute candle closed like this, we are probably in a range right here. That is the range we are in, and that's the area we were rejecting. But I believe the bias is still bullish, so we will still be looking for buys unless it break this yellow lower line. Wow, just melting, just melting. So now if we also can get a nice green closure above right here, this next candle, if this next candle could close like this above, anyway, it should, we don't need an impulse candle on the, to be exact, but any candle just close above could be like this. But it's better if it was small, so we can anticipate this wick fill right here to the left hand side. Wick fills has about 80% win rate, like 80% probability to fill this range to the left hand side. You have around 85 pips. I think it's looking good. All what we need now is just closure above, or even better, if this 15-minute candle could create a support right here in this area. Right here in this area, if this 15-minute candle could create a support like this, Exactly, I want to see something like this candle right there. Something like that candle, guys. I don't think it will need a long time. Oh wow. It's just pushing. Just pushing without without hesitation. So if this candle could close like this, exactly, would be very good to take buys. We melting because to make range for buys. Definitely, Alex, that's what I was just talking about. We are probably making a nice range for buys. If we can get just a confirmation, one support candle, and then probably we will look to buy from there. We will be looking for buys from there if we can get just one simple small support candle. I thought we were melting because there's some sort of news or something. Because man, that was a quite a drop. Look at that. Look at that, bro. 277 pips. 277 in less than, I think it was a 15 minute. There is no news, there is no anything. So yeah, if we can get a nice 15-minute candle closure on this, we have absolutely clean range to move to the upside. 100 pips with the nice stop loss, nice decent stop loss. And yeah, we'll probably be looking for buys from there. If not, if this candle could close above this range right here, we are also going to be looking for buys. So we have two opportunities for buys right there. Oh wow, hey Pawan, how are you doing, man? Good to see you. Good to see you in the live stream. We are doing great. We are doing amazing as always. Always grateful, positive, optimistic. This is the word. Optimistic. You also should be optimistic. It's an amazing thing to do and to be. You have to be optimistic about your life. You have to be optimistic about your trading. Optimistic is that you see the good in the bad. You know, like for example, if you fill a cup of water and some people look at the half, they are going to say, if you fill like half a cup of water, and someone will look at it, he's a negative person, he'll look at it, he will look, this cup is half empty. But the positive person is going to say this cup is half full. I know it's a very simple, small, that something that no one notice, but you should look at the half full part of the cup, not the empty part. Alright guys, make sure to click that like button. Keep it up guys. Yes, and for the new people, I believe, don't forget to subscribe if you are a good trader and you trade price action like Alex and Pawan and the boys. Also, I'm going to share the link of the Telegram group. Here we have a very interesting Telegram group where a lot of smart, intelligent individuals, smart and very hardworking individuals. I'm going to share this secret Telegram group. It's only for the top 1%. So just be careful, because this is not gonna be free for a long time. I'm telling you now. It's not gonna be. So better join now as soon as possible. Join and subscribe, and you will be a very profitable trader soon if you put the work into it like Pawan. Only this thing motivate me to do the process every day. Optimistic. Oh wow, well done Pawan. Man, you are an amazing guy. I believe you are an amazing, and sooner or later you will be very successful trader. Very successful, because you are putting a lot of work. You are an active person, and yeah, you can do that. If someone else can do it, I believe we also can do it. Pretty easy. Oh wow. Wow, that's a sniper, man. Really wow. Man, this Alex analysis is improving. So because he just keeps posting analysis every day, and man, this guy, I believe he's been documenting for a really long time, journaling his trades, saving screenshots, and all this boring stuff. He's doing the hard work, putting in the hard work. That's why his analysis is on point. Yeah, man, exactly what happened. This move you can see here, right here, he was anticipating it. This exact move right there, here. He drew it at, what was the time? 11 a.m. in the morning. Imagine that. From the London session, he expected this move to happen. Wow, bro. Really well done. Really well done. That's amazing. That is amazing. So if you want to check the picture, or I think I can show it. I think I can show it. So where did it go? Yep, right here I think. Look at that, man. Oh wow. How is that even possible? So in our Telegram group, this secret community, Alex shared this image at 11 a.m. in the morning, which is in London session. In London session he shared this, and look at that. It's exactly copy paste. I think he have some insider information, that guy. He have some insider information. Look at the similarity, exactly 1 2 3 boom. 1 2 I think 3 boom. Same thing. Look, you notice that this was at pre-London even. It's not even London open, it was pre-London, like right here. He shared this analysis right here when the price was right here. Exactly right here. So man, that's very amazing. Well done. And if you want to get this analysis, you must join the group, Telegram group. I left the link in the chat, so you can guys join. Believe me, it's more beneficial for you than it's beneficial for me. In this Telegram group, I'm sure you will learn a lot of stuff. We have daily meetings, like during one in Asian session, London session, New York session, 3 times a day with each meal. So after breakfast we have a meeting, after lunch we have a meeting, and after dinner we have a meeting. Yeah, I am with Trump. Yes, bro. I believe this guy have some insider information. Yep, look at the picture. Look at the picture, look at the price action. So if you basically was looking, having this picture, and you took the trade, you would be up now around probably 300 pips, easily 300 pips, just like that, if you had enough patience. All you need is just analysis and patience, that's all, nothing else. In order to make it in this industry, that's all you need. Yeah, well done, bro. Also, I believe the others can be like Alex soon. The more you learn, guys, the more you put the work in it. You can also share your analysis in the morning and we can give you a feedback about your analysis. So you can improve, you know, with the mistakes. The more you make mistakes, the more you learn, the more you improve, and the more you become successful. Without mistakes, I don't think anyone can be successful or even a profitable trader without any mistakes. Oh wow, this candle is pushing now. This candle is fucking pushing. Man, very choppy area to the left hand side. So probably if we got a nice closure, preferably engulfing this previous red candle, preferably. Otherwise we will wait for the 30-minute above there, and also the 1 hour above there would be very very juicy and nice, because we have this nice wick fill on our side, which will give us more probability that price will go up if it can close above that area right there. Oh wow, look at this 30-minute, it really wants to close above. I believe it really wants to close above. It's pushing very very aggressively, very aggressively. Interesting thing, there was no news for today. There was no news. Yeah, pretty chill day, but the volume was much more than yesterday. Way higher volume. Wow, look at that candle moving. How many pips is that? 140 pips, just like that. Oh man, we have to start looking at the 5 now. Look at the 5. Man, crazy. The 5-minute candle is 118. Oh wow, what was that push? I believe this thing is going to skyrocket now. It's going to the moon soon. Definitely going to the moon. But unfortunately on the 15, if this candle closed like this, it will be much lower probability trade, because it's better to engulf this red candle right there. So if the 30-minute candle can close like this, I will be entering that for sure. But now because it's the 15 and we have a red candle to the left hand side, it's a little bit difficult. Look at that, 19 pips, but the wick fill is about 100 pips. But there is a very high probability that this candle is just going up. It's just going up. At first make a lot of mistakes, then figure out which mistakes are bad mistakes, then don't repeat bad mistakes twice. That's what it takes to be profitable. Wow. Really that's all what it takes to be profitable, is just make the mistakes and just don't make them again. This is in short the life of a trader. If anyone could do that, man, he will be very profitable trader. I'm sure he will make a lot of money, like crazy amount of money. But simply in trading, whenever we make mistakes, we tend to do them again and again and again. Oh wow, this lemon is delicious. So that's the issue with trading, is you keep repeating the same mistakes again and again. If you stop repeating your mistakes, I believe you will be one of the most successful people in the whole planet, like us. Yeah, so to everyone who's not in the Telegram group, make sure you guys join there. I'm sure you will get a lot of very good help from there, and also subscribe to the channel. We are here every single day, live streaming, trading, real markets, live price action and live trades whenever price gives us the opportunity. We never force anything. Oh wow, man, if this 30-minute candle could close above, oh wow, it looks very good to move to the upside, because look at that, the 4-hour closed bullish. Now it created a bottom wick, very nice bottom wick it created, and it looks good to move to the upside. Actually it looks good, because on the left hand side we don't have some sort of a resistance or a range or anything to the left hand side. Oh, okay, it's rejecting now. Probably this candle is creating bottom wick to go to the upside. So we will wait on the 30. I believe we'll get much more information and better volume, hopefully. Oh yeah, I like that. Now it's breaking, and as you can see here, price struggled many times to break above this area. Look at that, 1 2 3 4 4 candles. Price was struggling a lot to break above this area right there. Now it have just broke once, and yeah, better to wait for the 30. Looks good. So I am also still waiting for Trump to confirm this the deal that Iran sent to him, but it looks like there is no news from Trump yet. There is no any news from Trump yet. As long as he don't open his mouth, I believe price action will be just normally moving according to plan, according to the rules. Yup, that's what I think it will do. There will not be any weird movements. Oh wow, this 30-minute candle, it looks so good. Looks so good. Next we wait for a bottom wick. If it closed like this, on the next candle we wait for a nice tap to this line, and boom, we enter on the break of the previous highs, anticipating the wick fill. And this is pretty much the plan, guys. Right there is the plan. Taking the wick fill, boom, bomb, something like this. Oh wow, it's about 1 to 2. Just for this wick fill is about 1 to 2. If the candle closed like how I want in about 9 minutes, we'll be definitely looking for that. Definitely. Come on guys, get the likes up. I believe you can do better than this. There is around 6 people watching and we have only 2 likes on the stream. This makes me actually not motivated to do these live streams if it's going to be like that. Yeah, we agreed that this is free, but likes as well is free, and it also helps with spreading this thing. Oh wow, look at this push. Look at that push. What an interesting push. Around 60 pips bottom week and boom, 70 top week. Oh wow, I think this is going to go. It's probably going to go to the moon now. It's not gonna wait anyone. Doesn't look like it's going to wait anyone, guys. But if it went, I think we are fine. Oh wow, and here is the wick fill. There goes the wick fill. Damn. Oof, oof, oof. Gold, gold. What's that? How many pips was that? Oh wow. 160 pips. Just like that. In a blink of an eye. If you blink, you will miss it. Yeah, man. That is crazy. That is crazy. Ooh. Wasn't expecting that at all. Not like this. So, as I was saying on the beginning of the stream, probably it's going to fill this range right here to the left hand side. This is the nearest resistance that we have. The nearest resistance. And yeah. Tough today, tough. What a tough day. Just a straight push. A straight push to the moon. On ceasefire hopes. There is even no news. Let me check. Oh wow. Iran must agree they will never have a nuclear weapon. The Hormuz Strait must be immediately open. No tolls for unrestricted shipping traffic. What the fuck is this guy saying? Man, I think this guy doesn't want peace. He wants problems. He clearly wants problems for unrestricted shipping traffic. Exactly, it's like a threat message. This is not agreement. This doesn't look good, man. Doesn't look good. Wow, that's crazy. Just right when he tweeted. When he tweeted, the price skyrocketed. Probably this news was a little bit late. Look, 2 minutes ago. So what happened 2 minutes ago? We were here, now 54, so it's about 50. Yup. This is what happened. So see how news influenced the market, the price action. Very, very clearly. What a strong push. Oh man. That's a threat message. That's very bad actually. I don't think Iran will agree on this. So now they will reply with a bad message and they will keep fighting. They will keep fighting. This doesn't look good at all, guys. Doesn't look good at all. Guys, Trump to make final decision. What do you guys think? Yeah. Let me create a poll real quick in the chat. I will create a poll. Yes, no, start. Alright, so I made a poll. Is it called poll? Yeah, I think poll. Poll. In the chat, just make sure you vote, guys. Go ahead and vote. Let's see what do you guys think about that. I will also vote. I will vote as well. Do you think Iran and USA will make a peace deal What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. It's right there. Right there. You have to click one button. It's not the like button, it's the pull button. Just click yes or no. Oh wow. Wow. Isn't that interesting, guys? Isn't that interesting? When these guys talk, look at the price, how it moves. When these guys talk, let's check oil. I think it will be melting. I think so. So if they got into a peace deal, I believe oil will drop from here all the way down back where it was. It was right here. Look at this thing. So there is a gap that is still right here. There is a gap on oil. There is a gap right here. So if they agree on a peace deal, I believe oil will drop at least till this support area right here. At least. Now it's just waiting for confirmation. Just waiting for confirmation. Oh wow, what a gigantic candle. 300 and something. Let me check. Come on guys, make the vote guys. 2 minutes left. So before this candle close, I'm going to end it. 2 minutes left. Trump will never do his final decision till his death. I don't think Iran will agree on some points. Yeah bro, definitely they will not agree. This doesn't look like a peace deal. So Trump's, he wants to show that he's controlling the world, like I am the boss, you should agree with me. Whatever I say, you will agree. Look at that. I think Trump will refuse the decision. Bro, fuck news. Yeah man, it's fucking trader. This is a statement, agreement or threat message. Definitely bro, it looks like a threat message, not an agreement at all. So Iran sent him a deal and that's what he says. The Hormuz Strait must be immediately open, no tolls on restricted shipping in both direction, all water mines bombs. Any will be terminated. We have removed through detonation numerous such mines, our great underwater mine sweeper. Iran will complete the immediate removal and or the detonation of any mines that are left, which will not be many. Oh man, I think this guy doesn't want peace at all. Alright, so this 30-minute candle finally closed like that. And I believe guy, this is... Let me close the pool first. Let me close this pool. You had your time to vote. Now it's done. Alright, so we got 2 votes no, which I totally agree with. Because man, that doesn't look like a sane guy that he want to make a peace deal. I believe there will be a lot of issue with it. So guys, I think it's time to call it a week. It was an amazing, absolutely amazing week. There is no need to force anything here. Look at the range, man, it's huge. We didn't even tap this area, not close above, not below. So it's tough. We are stuck now in the middle of the range. And yeah, I don't think I would like to wait any more than that. Look at this 4-hour candle, 1-hour candle. Man, yeah, so it will be moving like this till someone decides something, and I don't think it will be good for us if we took any other trade. So that was it for today guys. Hopefully you will stay away from the chart, you will stay safe. I am done guys. See you. Yes bro, see you on Monday. I think we will have no deal and no Monday. on Monday we will have a gap down for sure. Definitely, I totally agree with that, Alex. So if Iran didn't accept his whatever he's saying, I believe we'll have a huge move to the downside. Probably this candle will flip bearish. This weekly candle will flip bearish. So yeah, I wish you guys all have an amazing weekend. Just stay safe, don't overtrade, call it a day, go smell some fresh air. And that was all for today. Adios. Subscribe.